In this video, I'm going to show you how to see PNL performance graph on Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features such as an amazing wallet tracker, a top-notch Twitter tracker, PNL tracker. It has a great reward system which basically rewards you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills, and use your own presets with different slippage, priority, and bribe fees, which can be all set as custom, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually see the PNL performance graph on Axiom, this has been the new update. And for this, you simply have to open up your PNL tracker at the very bottom over here. And then you can see over here, in case you can't see it right now, you want to click on this button, which says Show PNL Graph. And then you'll be able to see your graph. You'll be able to hover over it and then basically analyze what happened at what time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.